Kaspa, at the time of this recording, continues to see further breakdown moves after losing our horizontal line of support above the 0.08189, flipping that key area back into resistance. We have also continued to obey the additive structures, and on today's update video, I will be discussing the next target areas that you need to pay attention to, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, from the highs we made above the 0.13213, I have been observing a 5-wave structure to the downside, where I have been terming that initial drop as the formation of that first wave. Then we saw a bit of a bounce in the formation of the second wave into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that blue target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas I gave you on my previous videos by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of the first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the second wave, and on so doing the fib ratios 1:1 was the area that I was paying attention to, and that lies above the 0.08824, an area that we fully maximized in a move that gave us a low below the 0.07738 before we started a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that fourth wave. And in the formation of that wave 4, I came up with the minimum target areas by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the second wave, that is the second wave, to the low of that wave 3, and on so doing, the area that I was paying attention to was between the fib level 0.5 and the 382, which is between the 0.09862 and the 0.09356, and you can see that we almost got into that minimum target area and started a rejection to the lower side in what I am now terming as the formation of these impulsive additive count 5. And the minimum target areas for the wave 5 can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the first wave to the low of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the second, that is the low of that third wave. And on so doing, the area that I'm paying attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.06 mark, an area that Kaspa can easily maximize in the next coming hours or maybe days. So in case we continue breaking down, the 0.06 mark is the next target area that you need to pay attention to. And once we have a low in place in this 5-wave structure, then I will expect a substantial bounce over here, breaking above key areas of resistances and significant highs. I'm only focusing on lower prices, having the 0.06 mark as my next target area. And that is all for this video, and I believe I will catch you on the next one.